Yeah, Javier has a question. He says, "Hello, I have a question about something that has been vexing me lately." Oh no, vexing.
Oh no.
Uh, yeah, I know. No one wants to be vexed. I own an OWC Mercury Elite Dock Pro Duo, which is a 2-bay RAID that also happens to have a small Thunderbolt dock built in. I've owned this device for about 4 or 5 years without issues. Recently, I was running out of space, so I decided to delete some data that I no longer needed. I ended up deleting about 400 gigabytes. However, when I went to look at the available space, the RAID array was still reporting that I only had about 45 gigabytes available. I have looked all over the internet for possible reasons why this is happening. However, I can't find anything particular relating to this device. I saw some suggestions that maybe the drives were failing. However, I have run through offline testing and the application DriveScope tells me the drives are functioning properly, even if they are up there in age. I have taken measures to back up everything from that array to an external hard drive in case I need to install new drives into the device. However, I worry that if the problem is with the enclosure itself and not the drives, that the problem will reappear in short order, even with brand new hard drives. Any thoughts? Thank you, and don't get caught.
Yeah, I have a thought, Adam. I think this sounds to me like an issue with snapshots, right? Because he's deleted things and the data didn't go away. And it's because the system is hanging on to the data. I mean, like that's sort of self-evident. But snapshots might be the reason for that. And so launch disk utility and click on your disk. And this works with internal disks and external disks. And then wait about 30 to 60 seconds. You'll see the list of snapshots fairly quickly. And what takes that extra little bit is the system calculating how much space is used by each of the snapshots. And once it fleshes that list out, you can see. And, you know, I mean, I have some snapshots with, you know, most of them are a few gigabytes, but there were some with, you know, there was one with dozens of gigabytes. And if I had just deleted a massive amount of data, I would also get that. So, yeah, I think my guess is that's what's going on here. I hope, because it's easy, because right there in disk utility, you can highlight a snapshot or more and delete one. So